Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a somewhat empty house tour. So we are moved in now, and my doggies are getting accustomed to the new digs. So one of the things I wanted was this herringbone pattern flooring put in. So we did have them put the tile in a herringbone pattern because the hallway coming into the house is pretty big. So here's the front door, and I have my side lights. And then you come in and you're walking through the hall. I guess we'll head to the left. Like I said, this is like empty. We just moved in. And come down this hallway. My laundry room. We purchased all appliances. And then this is a spare room, guest room. And it has a walk-in closet. I think I'm going to go with like a Parisian boho thing. I have the ceiling pre-wired for ceiling fans and the such. I actually have to order those. We did have them put all blinds into the house. And so when you exit that bedroom, and this bedroom has a walk-in closet. I think all of the bedrooms do. It's a nice little closet. I've got some of my pillows up there that I plan on using here. And then there's a Jack and Jill bathroom. So when you come in, I don't want you guys to see me, but there's the bathroom. Here's one vanity. And then you cross over into the water closet. And then you go into the next bathroom. And the walk-in closet for this bedroom is in this vanity area. So I like the uniqueness of this Jack and Jill ensuite bedroom. And so this is another bedroom. I've got an idea of how I want to style this room as well. We come out. Nice linen closets. I wanted all bronze accent to go with it. So it's not black, it's actually bronze. So you can see there. Then we head over here. This is my attached garage. There's the garage there. And there's a guest entry hallway closet. It's very spacious. Here I'm going to put like a hall tree in this area. I think that'd be nice. And this is my son's bedroom. Yeah, he's got his stuff in there. Everything's kind of like packed away. He's got his closet over that way. And then there's his bathroom / guest bathroom. Where are you going with me? And so this is a flex room that I have here. They put the light fixture there only because it came with it. Oh, and there's a light fixture in my entryway. I am not keeping these light fixtures. Actually, the electrician will be coming by because we've got security and everything that we're putting in. So they're doing it next week with all my light fixtures. So anyway, this is the light fixture they have for this room. And do have all the can recessed lighting. And so this room, I've got the light fixture I've got coming in. I'm gonna have this like an extra seating family room area. What are you eating? Talking to my dog. What are you eating, Kirby? And here's a side patio. And I plan on making this like my zen area. Maybe like a water feature back there. This is a nice size patio. It's like 8 by 10 maybe. Then I have it pre-wired as well to do ceiling fan, outdoor fans there. So we have that. Let's see. Well, this is the butler's pantry. We did get profile appliances and the fridge there. The pantry. It's huge. This pantry is huge. So as I was saying, this is the butler's pantry. We have the beverage center, nice cabinets, the handles, and accessories on the cabinets are bronze in color, and I wanted to go with this brown color cabinet. I think it's called Maple Latte. There's the true color. Very pretty. I didn't want anything gray or white. The color on the walls is called Greek Villa. It looks different in different lighting, but it's Greek Villa. The countertops are quartz. And then the backsplash is, I think it's called Mystic Wave, and the color is Olympus. Hooktop. Convection oven. So the cabinets carry all the way around, and then here's the dining area. We are not keeping these lights. I have an office here. It's like an office area. And again, here's the grate area. Everything's pre-wired, so I'm going to put a ceiling fan fixture there, change this light out here. And you can like see the mountains from here. Here's another little Kirby. And you see the color of the backsplash. It's like a cream color. Flooring is also cream. Another linen closet. And then here's the primary. And the primary here. We did put our bed together. Got a lot of decorating to do, so I need all the suggestions. Don't look at me over there. And soaking garden tub. We have a his and hers vanity. It's my vanity. And his. The water closet. And then the closet that I have to organize.